So the custom currencies add-on just overrides the native Shopify Payment multi-currency converter. Shopify doesn't actually allow us to convert the prices on the checkout page, but inside of the theme, we can have this conversion here. So in order to set it up, you can put in your ISO here. So let's just try New Zealand dollar. Save this. And now if we go over to this little icon here, the globe, we can see the NZD has been added. If we put NZD in this little tab and update the preferences, it will convert from USD to NZD. So $52.40 is $38 USD. You can also have the option for without currency, which leaves you with this dollar sign and still shows you the USD value. Of course, with all of these add-ons, quite easy to set it up. Just navigate to the theme settings, open up the Debutify add-ons, and then just locate the custom currencies. Make sure that this is checked on, and you'll be good to go. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at Debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.